dejar de. Dejar de means to stop or to give up. To give up a habit or activity. So this is very interesting because now dejar doesn't mean to leave, which is the basic meaning of dejar. It means in some situations when you have dejar de, it means to stop or to give up. Okay? To stop doing something or to give up a habit. Okay? Like smoking, anything else or activity, you stopped doing something. Then if you want to say that in Spanish, you can use dejar de. Dejar de. Let's look at an example just to show you how it works. Deja de saltar. Deja de saltar. We see a command again, a command that you're saying to someone to, in this situation, to stop doing something. Deja de saltar. This means, this means stop jumping. Okay? So this is quite interesting. Deja, we have the verb plus de. Deja de, stop. And then you can add a verb. In this situation, usually when you have deja de, you need the verb, but in an infinitive form. So that means you do not conjugate the verb. Sorry about that. You don't conjugate the verb saltar, comer, brincar, trabajar, correr. I think I said correr already. You can say deja de comer, stop eating. Deja de saltar, stop jumping. Deja de correr, stop running. Deja de hablar, stop talking. Okay? In English, it's different. You say stop jumping, stop eating, stop doing something. And you have the gerund form, jumping. So you add the ing and to the verb. In this situation, in Spanish, you don't do that when using deja de, okay? Or dejar de. Saltar, that's the correct form if you want to add a verb there. Saltar. Remember the infinitive form. You need that. Really quickly, I'll change this to a different verb. Deja de caminar. Okay? Stop walking. That's what it means. Stop walking. Okay? Deja de trabajar. Stop working. Okay? So that's how it works when you say dejar de and then you want to add a verb. Remember, you need an infinitive form, not the gerund form. Okay? Now let's look at the next example. Dejé de fumar hace 2 meses. Dejé de fumar hace 2 meses. This means I gave up smoking 2 months ago. Okay? Dejé de fumar hace 2 meses. So in this situation, dejar de means to give up. Okay? In this situation, it is past tense, present tense. It's like saying yo dejé. You don't need yo all the time. I always say that. So when you say dejé, it means I gave up. Okay? Here, dejar de means to stop doing something. And here, dejar de means to give up something. Fumar means, you see the the infinitive form of the verb fumar, to smoke. Fumar. Same here. Trabajar. Okay? So that's very important. Fumar in this situation means smoking. Hace, similar to saying ago. Dos, 2, meses, months. Okay? When you use hace when talking about time, you are saying ago, okay? So this could change to different times. Hace dos, you can say hace un año, a year ago, okay? Hace una semana, a week ago, okay? Or you can change this to dos semanas. Hace dos semanas. And it means 2 weeks ago. Okay? So hace, remember, hace plus time means time ago. Okay? Whatever time you want to say. But remember, dejar de means to stop doing something in general, or to give up a habit or activity. That's quite interesting. This is a very useful little phrase right here. It's very useful for sure.